It's 3 days after Christmas, and we are doing Raptor things today in the snow. I'm going to meet a few guys from the Colorado Bronco Raptors owners group to do a little bit of winter wheeling. We just got some fresh snow last night, not a lot. We'll see how much we've got here up in the mountains. Off-roading with snow and ice on the ground is always a little bit interesting because you're never quite sure what you're going to get. If you're the kind of person that really enjoys using your winch and recovery straps, then wheeling in the winter is ideal. Otherwise, it's a bit hit or miss. I'm not expecting any challenges. It's not just Broncos today. We got 2 Bronco Raptors, 1 Sasquatch Bronco, I forget which edition, and we've got a Subaru with race wheels and all-terrain tires, and a Porsche Cayenne. Oh, it's pretty here. We're in Baja Mode. Woo. A little slide there. It's a little slippery here. Oh. There goes one of the cameras. Fun when the snow gets a little thicker. You slide a little more. Although it's more fun when you're turning left and you've got the uphill on your right than when you're turning right and there's a drop off to your left. Kind of just a dirt road. Like, it's not a serious four-wheel drive trail. It's recognized as a trail, like it's on Onyx. It's green because it's easy, but I don't know, this is just hitting it with a little bit of fresh snow on it is a totally different thing. And yeah, it's a lot of fun. Kind of makes me think of like the Pikes Peak hill climb almost. Not that I'm driving that fast or that high, but I'm definitely sliding around a little bit. Definitely pushing the limits of traction here. And it's just gorgeous up here. Super pretty. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's getting a little sideways. Whoa. Okay, get on the brakes too much, you start to understeer, which is not ideal. These rocks. That's cool. There's some great camping spots out here. I know I say that in almost all my videos, but like, wow, awesome spots. And I know I said it in prior videos that 60, 70 miles an hour in the sand feels like 100 plus on a solid road. But I gotta say, when you're out here in the snow, miles an hour in the snow feels awfully fast. This is fun. I'm glad we did this. I would not have thought to just come up to a road like this. There's nobody up here.
1 minute later.
All right, we got a truck with a trailer coming this way. Oh, I was not expecting to run into that guy right after I said there's nobody up here. Look at this though. pretty. Oh my gosh. Got a great view of Pikes Peak in the distance too. We took a little break and just did a little pistol shooting up here in the National Forest. And it's fun. It's always interesting, the overlap between the off-roading community and the shooting community. I used to do a lot of competitive pistol shooting in IDPA. I've not done it in nearly long enough. Oh, that's a little slippery. This is the perfect amount of snow. Just enough that you can drift it a little bit, get a little sideways action, but not so much that you lose control. Well, that's I gotta slow down a little bit. Just, you know, it's one thing driving when you're kicking up dust. It's a little different with the snow and the way the sunlight catches it. You know, the Subarus just drive so well in the snow, and obviously they're amazing rally cars and whatnot, right? But the guys in the Subaru, they were complaining that just a little bit. They were saying that on the way up, it was awfully bumpy, and I'm not feeling it in the same way. You know, some of it's the suspension of the rig. Some of it is that I aired down my 37-inch tires to 20 pounds. So definitely got a bit more rubber on the ground. It's part of what makes driving fast off-road fun in a rig like this. Is just the comfort of it. Wow, that guy's literally putting chains on his Honda Passport. I mean, if that doesn't show you the difference, I don't know what does. And then we got off the main road, and now we're on this little one.
You guys took a wrong turn there.
Oh. Somewhat directionally challenged, this group. You coming the right way now?
Yeah, I'm right behind you.
Here we go. Whoa! Oh, I caught some air in that one. Yes. Alright, business of doing Raptor things. I don't know what it is.
Bronco's been driving really slow in our group. Hope he doesn't mind.
I don't know where we're going, but we're getting there quick. Oh yeah, there's this. There's the ice. Once we hit pavement, it got a lot icier. Piece of ice at the bottom of that hill. Well, I think our shenanigans are done for the day now that we're back on a paved road and it's icy rather than just snowing. But another good day out doing Raptor things. Oh, wait a second, there's Starbucks. Airing up at the best possible place. It's been another good day doing Raptor things. Please like and subscribe, and if you want to see more shenanigans of me with these guys, check out this video. Thanks a lot.